What up, guys, and welcome back. Okay, well, back on the desktop again. Okay, guys, first of all, we just want to take a tour on how Debian runs on a PC more, well, more formally on a laptop because I'm using a laptop right now. So as I head to the settings, you can see that I am on a laptop. You can already tell from the battery life there. So I'm on a laptop. This is a Lenovo IdeaPad, but that's not important right now. And I'm running an elementary OS. Still waiting for Odin OS 6. But anyways, that's until rumors saying September. But then we know elementary they just drop when they want to. But anyways, with elementary, I'm going to run Debian on this operating system. So here I have my Debian. Now I installed the Debian on a VirtualBox, and I will create another video showing you how to add operating systems into a VirtualBox, because it's basically like a PC itself or a motherboard, and put it that way. And well, simple, but this is the best way for you to actually test something out, and a certain operating system that you want to use. You're still deciding whether you want to use it or not, and yeah, you make up your mind after actually viewing it. So to get started, you just start up the machine as if like you would on a normal computer by pressing start. So obviously it's booting up. There is a grab menu, and my kernel is a bit behind 4.9, but I'll have that sorted out somewhere later in the video, hopefully. So okay, it's booting up. There will be no problem so far. I haven't really faced any problem running Debian on my VirtualBox on top of elementary OS, even though I really have a low-end PC, but yet, well, you gotta work with what you have. This is the only PC I have. Well, I've been testing many distros on this. Started off with Ubuntu 20.04, went to Debian, went to Kali Linux. From Kali Linux went to Zorin OS. Just I was mesmerized by the look. It was actually interesting, and after that went to Debian OS, and yet went to Ubuntu DDE, and well, I felt like, well, I love elegance. I love elegance, and so well, that strange attraction everyone's talking about elementary OS came in and kicked in. So okay, guys, before I log in, so this is a login screen or lock screen of Debian out of the box. So we have I didn't know we can actually toggle our status bar here, notification bar. Right here we have a calendar on the right hand side. Very functional, very functional. So anyways, you cannot really interact with it. Oh, you can. Yeah, very functional. Okay, now obviously if I did set an event, they will appear here. So okay, well, but anyways, let's just log in. So well, we just log in, and remember, guys, it's Debian 10, the latest of its kind at the moment. Right, okay, taking some time. Even though it's in a virtual box, it's still running really well, really well. I will show you guys how to properly install a virtual machine in a virtual box so that it runs as if you have installed it on hardware. But then it's not hardware. As you can see, it's running smooth. Okay, except for that lag. Can you see it? Yeah, except for that lag. See, usually first thing you want to do when you go update, the first thing you want to do when you install any OS, you first want to update it. Just make sure that everything is well up to date, and yeah, you're on the good side. So we see the first thing, I don't know about you guys, but I'm the type of person who loves using the terminal most of the time, so I spend most of my time in the terminal. So I'll set it up to make it more colorful, but then that's another video as well. So we're just going to do sudo apt. We're going to go for update, and I always add an upgrade as well. So sudo apt upgrade. Oops, sorry, sudo apt upgrade. And actually, I usually just put in full. Right, so it'll be full/full upgrade. So well, and there we go. If there's any packages that needs to be updated, it will do so. So I just recently updated my system and everything's up and running except for those updates I just saw. Not sure what was happening there, but just go check them out. It won't hurt. Right. So right now we're up to date. Alright guys, so this is Debian 10 so far. That's the menu, that's the notification bar. So obviously here's your notification, they'll appear here. Anything you play music, it will appear here, so you can control, can clear as always. I don't see the don't disturb button anyway, because I have that on my Linux, on my elementary OS. Let me just show you. I have that. It's right here, so I can set no, I don't want any distractions. So but then I don't see it in Debian. But anyways, back to Debian now. Right, so like I said, no don't disturb. Okay, well it does. And I see this, it's embedded feature, the weather, you can actually add your location here. I don't really trust this thing, so I'm going to say I'm in George. You say I'm not in George. Say this is South Africa. You should know George. But I'm just gonna go for a normal one, random one. I mean, yeah. So it's not really accurate. I'm not even sure where this place is. But anyways, yeah. So let's go to, guys. I really love using. I don't like paging through apps. I just usually search for them and voila, they're in front of me. Simplest way. Okay, so here it is. Okay guys, remember, bear with me, I'm in a virtual box, so any lag, any instability, I'm gonna blame it on a virtual box and my hardware, because I've no. Oh, hey, the other thing I want to point out, I've noticed many users, they usually complain that the OS is not working, the OS is crap, is nonsense, it's unstable and things like that. That's not the case. First, you check your device and see whether it is compatible. So I assigned 1.9 GB for this one. Let's just say round off to 2 GB. I assigned 2 GB and assigned 101 GB of ROM, and it's working great. So this tells us that Debian 10, the master whatever, it can run with 2 GB RAM, which is actually nice for, well, most old PCs have that thing. So anyways guys, thank you. We are running Debian GNU/Linux 10, the master. So well, yeah, as you can see, I'm in a virtual box, so it obviously say virtualization Oracle. And yeah guys, let me just give you a tour here. So first option, you have Bluetooth. You can connect your Bluetooth devices here. I just want to check whether this actually works, because I've never tried this. Okay, so that is not functional. That's not. Alright, so it's telling me that I should plug in. I don't. Okay, so it does not. Alright, I think I need to enable that in my virtual box. But anyways, that's for another day. So you have your Bluetooth here, you have your wallpaper here. Bear in mind, I downloaded this one earlier today. But then these are the normal ones. They come outside out of the box. So it'll right. So well, it's buggy, but bear with me guys, bear with me. Anyway, so well, this is basically it. Oh wait, let me check this one. So I select these are out of the box wallpapers for Debian, that is. So right, and it's quitting on me. Wow. This is what I usually do want to install OS, the first install it, you just double check with everything will be working. So you have the notifications here, and where you can choose which applications can actually notify you of anything happening. You have your search. Just this search here is the search you do right here. So if you disable, maybe let's say calendar, that means you cannot search anything from the calendar. If you disable files, you cannot search any file using this search. So that's a teaser. Anyway, so here we have our languages, wherever you are. So I'm English. I'm already in the United States though, but anyways, I like using that. Universal access, that's your one. Then yeah, so you can put in your account here and all of that. Well, that's pretty much for settings, because like myself, I love going to the settings and just tweaking things out. I love tweaking things. So obviously the first thing I usually do when I actually install all my distros, not sure about Arch and the other Linux, Gentoo and things like that. I am a Debian guy, you know what I mean? Granddaddy Debian, that's my granddaddy, and I'm the grandchild, whatever it is. And I've only used distros that are based on Debian or based on Ubuntu. Obviously, you know Ubuntu is based on Debian, so if I'm using Elementary, that means it is connected with, well, Debian, because Debian is the father of Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the father of Elementary, meaning Elementary is the grandchild of Debian. So this is our grandchild, these are grandfathers. I think you get the point. So obviously there's a guy that I'll have to go to. It's average. Average. Is that right? Anyways, average Linux user. Allow this guy usually gives tips on what to do. You want all the distros. Okay, I haven't changed that yet. So we're gonna go for Debian. Okay, so here 30 things. Okay, I'm not going to do 30 things, and guys, I'm not going to do these things because I think I've already done most of them. Don't really have I don't really want to go through all of them right now, for some reasons, and I will be trying PopOS some time back. So let's see. But then you can always come here and you look for things that you want to do after installing a specific distro. So I'm gonna go for, let's see, I think there's a search here someone. Max this out. Alright, I don't get it out of the box. I don't have the maximize or the minimize. Weird. But anyways, don't really care. I'm used to Elementary. Don't really have that. Just right click on the bar. Then the bar is not working. So let's see. Alright, Debian right here. 30 things. Obviously, I'm not gonna do all those 30 things. I'm not. I wouldn't. It's just too much. Right. It's taking forever. I'm not sure whether it's my network or the operating system or the VirtualBox. So yeah, obviously guys, here are the things. So yeah, we can fix a CD-ROM error, switch to fastest repository. So a lot of them here. Synaptic, installing drivers, install VLC. Yeah, these are interesting things. Re-enable tray icons. Oh yeah, Debian doesn't come with tray icons. Okay, that's interesting. I didn't know. So yeah, guys, this is basically it. Do I have snaps here? I don't like snaps. I don't like snaps. Just terminal. Terminal there. I told you I love searching. So we'll go snap TSA. Oh yeah, no command. So there is no, let's see, dpkg. Let's say list, and let's just to double check grape. So this is a command to search for something you want to be specific and grape snap, anything related to snap. So just put a star there, asterisk or anything, just to indicate that I want everything to do with snap. And no, I don't have anything. No, I don't think that's snap. Yeah, but then there's a snap game. Not sure. Okay, I just want to check this. I'm going to run this because I want to know what this is. All right, so we have a game out of the box. Yes, no, cancel. We have a game out of the box. So now place one and select one, place okay. Now control start. Right. Oh, okay. Alright, where am I? Okay, I'm the red one. I am the red one. Alright, this is interesting. Alright, and I'm dead. Alright, this is interesting. I love this. What's happening? Alright, I'm just losing now. Anyways, guys, that's the game right there. Yeah, looks like it reminds me of Windows now. Candy Crush. Can agree with me, guys? So you see, guys, that's pretty much it. I didn't really want to do too much. Just want to show you exactly some few things. Hopefully, I'm not going to do a full review obviously. So this is something for those people who just want to know what's happening, how is Debian and what's going on in the what to expect, what does it hold, you know what I mean? So well, let me check. This is basically Debian for you. Alright, so that's that. And also let's go and sudo apps install htop just to see how much things it's actually taking in here. Okay, you see htop and it just gets a summary of what's going on in the background. Done, and it should be done. Right, so we say htop, and we can see here, guys, this is actually very good. If you're only taking 655 megabyte of RAM, this is nothing compared to elementary. Elementary usually just trying to eat up the whole RAM. So a 4 GB RAM, but it's always going above the half, so it's really concerning me. But anyways, just thought I should show you guys like what Debian does basically. So something else I also want to show you. So I don't think I have it. All these packages don't come pre-installed. Very interesting. Sudo new fetch. I've noticed that because most of the okay, so this one is in. Sorry, take that back. Alright, so this is what you need to know. So it's Debian. Okay, I'm not really running the latest kernel there. Only been out for 16. These are number of packages. I've seen less, but anyways, out of the box. So mine is the 2 that I've installed right now. That's 1.5 1557. So desktop environment, I'm on gnome theme. I'm not really going to go through the theme and things like that, and you can see how much it takes, how much it actually uses out of the box without any additional features and things like that. So obviously, I think I want to do this sudo apps install gnome-extensions. Okay, I usually do this because I love the extension. No. Alright, so I'm not sure where I'm going now. But I just leave a comment in the description. Show me how to how to install extensions on Debian. Oh no. Oh, so okay, sorry guys, I was doing it wrong. I was wrong. So sorry. Anyway, let's do this again. So we're looking for tweaks, not extensions. Okay, silly me. Alright. Let's see what we have again. Okay, so we have the appearances here. I don't really have any themes now. These themes are awful. So guys, okay, that's the end for now. My conclusion would be that Debian is actually really good distro. It's our grandfather of many distros, or our father of many distros that we love, the simple ones, you can say like that, because everyone who uses Arch is against Debian, saying, oh, that's for users and things like that. But then, anyways, man, crap to them. This is Debian, guys. Do say something in the comments below, which is to tell me what you want me to do next, and I will respond to the text, and I'll think of something and put some time into making another video. This has been your boy Crobe_home. Until our next one, guys. Till our next one. The machine needs to go off.